Hello there and welcome to my channel. These look a lot like some journals that I had before. They're pretty close. These are two new, I like to call them DIY journals. It's do-it-yourself journals or unembellished journals. So I've only done the covers and then put designer papers, Christmas papers inside. The difference between these two this time is that I didn't do any tea staining. I just printed all the pages, so you'll see as we go through. So like I said, this looks a lot like another post that I had, but they are a little different. So I just want to flip through them real quick. These will be available in my shop, and I won't go over the whole covers and what I did like I did last time, because you've already seen that once if you watch my videos. I used a lot of different Christmas paper this time. I found some really pretty digitals in the shops. I won't even say the word because I never say it right. So E-T-S-Y, Itsy. Anyways, I never say it right. So some really pretty Christmas papers, and you can see I printed on both sides, and I tried to make one side so that person could journal and had a lot of space, or you could add other things to that. So these are to make your Christmas journals with, to add your embellishments, add your pockets, and you already have the signature sewn in with pretty Christmas paper. Put a doily in each one. That's the center of the signature. Snowflakes and Christmas colors. This paper is really pretty. I just found that paper, so. And the last couple pages here. The papers are a lot alike, but not exactly. And they're not in the same position. First page here. The inside cover is the same. This part's the same. So I hope you guys are had a good holiday, and you're getting ready for more holidays or just winter time. Really pretty papers. I print all my stuff on HP. I print with the HP with the HP ink instant ink. And then I also use HP papers is what I'm trying to say, and it prints very vividly. So I get a really good print quality. And these papers show it. Come on. Maybe not, that's just a heavy paper. I have some paper that's heavier than other paper. Okay. There is our flip through. And like I said, I hope you guys are having a good crafting time. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Always happy to answer any questions. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you for stopping by.